Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see a short theory section regarding what is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Image Builder. Well, we all know what is Amazon Elastic Compute. That is EC2, wherein you create servers, associate security groups. You also need to manage the EBS volumes, the load balancer. That comes all under EC2, but this is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Image Builder. So what is this? So Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Image Builder is a fully managed AWS service that makes it easier to automate the creation, management, and deployment of customized, secure, and up-to-date golden server images that are pre-installed and pre-configured with software and settings to meet specific IT standards. Like we all create a golden image, and that is the foundation of all the images that will be deployed in our organization. That now you can do with Amazon Managed Service to do all the tasks associated with the creation of the golden server images. We can use the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or APIs to create golden images in the AWS account. When we use the AWS Management Console, the image builder wizard guides us through the steps, which are it can provide the starting artifacts, it can help us in adding and removing of the softwares, it can help us in the customization of the settings and scripts. It can also help us in running the selected test. It can also help us in distributing images to AWS regions. The images we build are created in our account, and we can configure them for operating system patches on an ongoing basis. For troubleshooting and debugging our image and deployment, we can configure the build logs to be added to the Amazon Simple Storage Service. We have the S3 buckets. We can also configure an SNS topic to receive notifications of image build status and associate an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud key pair with the instance to perform manual debugging and inspection. If you're not sure what is Amazon S3, what is an SNS topic, what is the Elastic Cloud, please check out my other videos related to these topics. And along with the final image builder creates an image recipe, which is a combination of the source image and components for that particular build. We can use the image recipe with existing source code, version control systems, and CI/CD, that is continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines for the repeatable automation. Let's talk about the features of EC2 Image Builder. I'll see you in the next video, because covering the theory section in the one long video, you might get bored of it. So please wait for my next video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Thank you. Have a great day.